This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, July the 11th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, you can see some showers and thunderstorms from the mid-Atlantic through the south, through Texas, and the monsoon beginning in the southwest, although it's quite hot down there as well, with the heat ridge having moved to the west. The watch warning map shows that significantly, with this being a little before midnight last night, some heat watches and warnings and advisories across the west, Arizona, Nevada, California, red flag warnings in the northern Rockies, and the rest of the nation is quiet. But the QPF chart doesn't look quiet. This is rainfall through the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing the heaviest rain over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley and across the south, where they could get maybe 2 to 4 inches. Around here, maybe nothing. But let's take a look at the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon anyway, with the heat ridge still centered around Las Vegas and Cedar City, Utah. Around here, temperatures will be in the 80s with mostly sunny skies, all the rain to our south, and we're still under high pressure that'll be slowly moving to the east, allowing us to warm up here into Thursday. A couple degrees warmer, 80s to around 90, warmer further to the west. Rain still staying away from us, mainly to our south. But by Friday, we could see an isolated shower with a warm front that'll be coming through. And we term the word isolated. It'll be very isolated at best. And even into Saturday, there's still an isolated chance of a shower as the warm front moves through. Temperatures will be upper 80s, maybe some lower 90s around. And on Sunday, that's gone. Most of the rain chances will be to our east and a little bit to our north and west. Highs will be a couple degrees either side of 90 at that point. And beginning the new work week Monday, and this seems to be the recurring theme, a lot of the heaviest rain now will be to our north. It seems to be either well to our south or well to our north, but here, not really. And what do you know? By Tuesday next week, it moves to the east of here. So, yet again, the GFS says we're going to get nothing. Doesn't that sound exciting? And then by a week from today, on the 18th, the ridge begins to shift back to the east again, as if we need that. Which means it's going to get hotter again as the trough begins to somewhat lift out. But we could see some rain with this, and start rolling your eyes at that. We'll be lucky if we see anything, because the dry ground is not going to be too kind to us. And even a couple of days later, on the 23rd or 4th, the trough is still to our north and east, a bit of a ridge to our south and west, but that's still not going to help us. Most of the rain, the heaviest chances of rain, to our east and away from here. So, nothing there with that, it looks like. And here at the end of the forecast, the 26th, still a decent trough across the eastern half of the country. We have a northwesterly flow. The ridge is a lot more compressed southward. So we could see some cooler weather toward the end of the month in the last week of July for Ragbri. And most of the riders are hoping that is the case, and we'll keep an eye on it in the future videos. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Thursday.